To download Age of Mythology Retold on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, an app that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. To do this, go to Google and search for Steam. Then click on the website store.steampowered.com and click the Install Steam button. Next, select the platform you're playing on, and then the Steam setup will download. Open the downloaded Steam setup and click Next, and select your language. After that, choose the destination folder for the installation of Steam, and press Install. This will automatically install Steam onto your computer. Once installed, open the app, and either log in or create an account. If you don't have an account, creating one is easy. Just follow the instructions. After logging in, hover over the Store button, and press Featured. Then go to the search box, and type in the name of the game, which is Age of Mythology. The game should appear as the first result. Click on it, and then scroll down until you see Buy Age of Mythology Retold. You have two options, the Standard or the Premium Edition. Pick one you like, then press Add to Cart, and select if you want to buy for yourself or as a gift. Select your payment method from the drop-down menu, and then continue to payment, and complete the checkout process. Pay for the game, and buy it. The game will be added to your Steam library, which can be found on the left where it says Library. Select Games, and you should see your Age of Mythology game. Press it, and then press the Install button next to it. You will be if you want to create a shortcut or a start menu. Select to which drive you want to install the game, and press Install. This will automatically download and install the game onto your computer. Once that's done, you'll get a big green play button next to the game. Press it, the game will launch, and you start playing.